Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's very important video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to change drive letters in your Windows, okay? So let's get started. First is you need to press Windows and R key together, or you can simply go to this Windows icon and then do a right click and scroll up, then go for Run. The moment you open Run, just type disk mgmt.msc. Okay? Then click on OK. After that, this disk management will appear and go for Drive and do a right click and go for change drive letter and paths. And here it has this three options: add, change, remove. In our case, we'll be changing this. Okay? So here you can choose letters that you want to change. I mean, they want to set on your drive letters. So after that, just click on OK and your drive letter will be changed. Okay? So, hopefully, this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.